Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be explaining you about EDI 850, 855, 856 and 810. Okay, so in one of our previous video, I have explained you about order to cash between supplier and customer. Okay, in that order to cash, you have seen 850, 855, 856 and 810. Okay, but in this video I'll be explaining you in detail about each of these four transaction sets. In order to cash cycle, all the four transactions are the most important transactions, though we have other transactions like 820, 840. Okay, but for now I'll be covering about 850, 855, 856 and 810 in this video. So now what is 850? 850 stands for EDI purchase order. This is similar to an Amazon order placed by you. Let's consider yourself as a customer and Amazon as a seller. Okay, so you place something from your Amazon app and that will be converted into an 850. So once you place your order, you will be receiving an SMS or an email from Amazon stating that your order is acknowledged. That is 855. We will come to this part later, but first let's cover 850. So let's say you have ordered a mobile on Amazon. Okay, and so when you're placing an order, your order will have the details like what is the make, I mean the manufacturer or the brand name of that product, and what is the model and color and the configuration. Okay, so all these details need to be encoded into this 850. Only then Amazon will be able to serve your order. All that information that is required to place this order is populated in the 850. Like I said, brand, color and configurations, all this will be given into 850 in the form of segments. Before that, let me tell you what are all the various segments in an EDI file. If you see here, every EDI file will start with an ISA and GS and ST. In between you will have the data, and that file will end with SC, GE and IEA. Now what is ISA? Is the interchange control segment. GS is the group control and ST is the transaction set. Okay, I'll explain more in detail about these segments in my upcoming videos, but for now focus on the 850 part. So if someone asks you what is EDI 850, you will be able to explain them the process that 850 stands for EDI purchase order that will be sent from a customer to the seller to place an order, and Amazon in this case as a seller will send back an 855. So 855 is for acknowledging that order. Okay, and who will be sending an 855? 855 will always be sent from seller to customer. Okay, similarly 856 and also 810. So purchase order acknowledgement, advanced shipment notice and invoice. So to be clear about the order to cash cycle, one should have a clear understanding on all these four transactions. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. I'll be covering more videos on EDI in my upcoming videos.